Yes, we've got a couple. What have we got? Lots of shrimp again, and two big, 1, 2, 3 red claw. 1, 2, 3. So that's good. Lots of beautiful shrimp. Jeez, I know where to get my bait. All right, so let's get these guys before they climb out into the kayak. That won't be good. So there's one. Oh, he's crawling out. Get back in there. Oh, so get him in the tub. What is that? Some shrimp have fallen out. Red clawing in the kayak's not ideal. So let's not get bitten here. Not a bad size red claw. They get a lot bigger than this, I believe.